Do you want to work faster in Excel and boost your productivity? Then these essential shortcuts will save you. So now in this video, I'm going to give you 5 essential shortcuts in Excel, in Microsoft Excel, that will help you to boost your productivity. But if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, get access to all videos immediately we post them on this channel. Okay, and don't forget to also give us your comments and then share the video for others who also benefit. Now let's start with the first shortcut. So the first shortcut, we are going to learn how to select an entire row or column in an Excel sheet. How to select an entire row or column in an Excel sheet. Now, basically, we all know that if you want to select a row, you can just click on the row number. It will automatically select the whole row. Yes. Or if you want to select a column, you just click on the column number, then it will select the whole column for you. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple shortcut. So with this shortcut, if you want to select an entire column, you need to click on Control plus space key or the space bar. So let's select it then. Click on Control plus the space bar. It will select the entire column for you. That is the entire column of the active cell. So let's say this cell, the active, Control plus space, it will select the entire column for you. Now if you want to select an entire row, that will be Shift plus space. So you enter Shift plus space to select the entire row of the active cell. That is shortcut number 1. Now shortcut number 2. How to quickly navigate large data. So if you can see from this sheet, you are having a huge data here. So getting to a particular section of this data is a little bit tedious. So I'm going to show you a simple shortcut keys that I'm going to use. Now the first one is Control plus the arrow key. Control plus the arrow keys, you can use the top arrow key, you can use the down arrow key, the left arrow key, or the right arrow key. Now let's start with the right arrow key. So Control plus the right arrow key will send you to the end of the data, and if you click on it again, you send it to the end of the row, or sorry, the end of the column, the last column of your Excel sheet. So let's say, for instance, let me create a new sheet and there's no data on this sheet. You click on Control plus the right arrow key, it will quickly send you to the end or the last column of the sheet. But if there is a data like this, that means if you click on the Control plus the right arrow key, it will send you to the end of the last filled column. Then if you click on it again the second time, it will then send you to the end of the last column. The same way, if you click on the Control plus the right arrow, so the left arrow key, to send you to, it will rather send you back to your previous location. That is the beginning of your data, and that is it. So if you want to use the top arrow key, that will be between rows. So you can click on the Control plus the down arrow key. It will send you to the last filled row, and if you click on it again, it will send you to the last row of your sheet. But if the sheet is empty and just click on the Control plus the down arrow key, it will send you straight to the last row of the Excel sheet. Control plus the up key to send you to the first row of the Excel sheet. Yes, that is how to navigate through your data using the Control plus the arrow keys. That is short key number 2. Now let's go to number 3. How to auto sum. Shortcut number 3 is how to auto sum, how to use the auto sum function. Basically, we know that if you want to sum a group of data, let's say you want to sum this group of data here on the first column, sorry, on the first row, you just select the cell where you want the answer to appear, you click on the equal sign, you type your sum as the sum function, sum, then you open your bracket, we then drag to the end of the data, then close your bracket, hit on enter. It will give you the sum. That is basically the normal way that we do sum. But you have the auto sum function where you're going to use the combination of some keys. So at this stage, you are going to use the alt plus the equal sign. So you select the cell. So this is the range of cell that we want to add. So select the cell, that's the last empty cell at the end of it. You just click on alt plus the minus sign. So it will automatically select the range, the formula, and everything. All you just need is to click the enter button, the enter key, and then your answer is correct. So it's alt plus the equal sign. Okay, so that is how you can auto sum range using the auto sum. That's alt plus the equal sign key. Now that is shortcut number 3. Now let's go to shortcut number 4, how to insert current date and then current time. So now let's start with the current date. So that if you want to enter a current date on a particular cell, just select the cell that you want date to appear, then click on Control plus the semicolon key. It will give you the date. So today's date, the date I'm recording this video is on the 6th of March. You can see that the date is now here. So if you want to also use time, you're going to use Control plus Shift plus the semicolon key. So Control Shift plus the semicolon key. It will also give you the time, that is the current time. So that is shortcut number 4. Okay, so now the last shortcut is the undo and the redo action. That is, maybe you have performed an action and you want to undo. The action. You just click on Control plus Z, it will undo the action. If you want to redo the action, it's Control plus Y. Then Control plus Y will redo. So that is the last shortcut. If you enjoyed this video, just give us a like button, subscribe this video, share for others to benefit. This is the only way to encourage us to do more. Please share this video, subscribe, and then hit on the like button. Don't forget to click on the notification, the bell icon there. Click on the bell icon and give us your comment. We need your comment. Give us your comment, and we will meet in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.